What's up YouTube, yugioh 3000 here, and today I got 3 packs of Cosmo blades to open for you. I had 9, but I opened 3, and out of my 3 that I opened, I got a ZW lightning blade for rare. I got a haze flame basilatrice and a haze flame python.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
That's my phone. I just got a text message apparently. But and then I also got an ultimate rare Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. That looks so cool right there. Look at that. That looks awesome. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. That's freaking sweet. That looks cool. And now I'm gonna open the rest of these packs. So let's get started here. And also I got a new camera, so if y'all like the camera, leave a comment, tell me how good this camera is. ZW Tornado Bringer. That's it, just a rare. Next pack. There we go. Oh cool, Crimson Blader. It's pretty good. Crimson Blader. Looks pretty cool. Focus camera. There we go. Oh, yeah, looks pretty cool. Next pack. Focus. A Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Gorilla. And oh cool, Mermail Abyss Stripe. And then the gorilla. Pretty cool. Next pack, 3 more packs to go. Let's see what else we can get. Come on, secret rare. Here we go. A Brushfire Knight. And oh cool dude, another bear. What? Got another bear. I have 3 bears. I bought another pack like yesterday. And I got another ultimate bear. So I got 3 bears, that's pretty sweet. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. Dude, that's awesome. Look at this. Freaking got 2 bears. 1 ulti, 1 ultra. Dude, that's awesome. And no, not for trade, they're mine. I'm keeping those. Dude, that's awesome. That made my day right there. I don't care what else I get now. A Ultimate Fire Formation. Okay, last pack now. That was cool, getting 2 bears. Last pack. There we go. See what else we can get. A Haze Flame Manticore. And oh dude, a freaking secret rare. Pyrex, the Elemental Lord. Dude, that is awesome. That made my day right there. I'm happy with that. That, dude. Freaking 2 bears. Look at this. 2 bears. And a freaking Pyrex, the Elemental Lord. Dude. That. Wow. That's amazing right there. Look at that. That looks cool, dude. 2 bears. Man, buddy, that was cool. It's cool there. See, do a little recap. The rares. Here goes the rares. Haze Flame Manticore. Ultimate Fire Formation Setol. Brushfire Knight. Brotherhood of the Firefish Gorilla. That's cool. I'm gonna make a Firefish deck. Crimson Blader. ZW Tornado Bringer. Haze Flame Pyreton. Haze Flame Basilotrice. And ZW Lightning Blade. Wow. And then for my holos, I got a Mermail Abyss Strike. 2 Brotherhood of the Firefish Bear. 1 Ulti, 1 Ultra. That is awesome. And a Secret Rare Pyrex, the Elemental Lord. Man, that was awesome. Please rate, comment, like, do whatever. And see you later. I forgot to add that the Mermail will be for trade. That will be for trade, but these I will be keeping. Yes, because they look so freaking sweet. So there it is for trade. These are not for trade. This will be for trade. So please like, comment, and make sure to subscribe. And see you later.